Welcome to the Digital Blockchain Review. I will walk you through a quick but powerful look at Metallicus, the digital banking network that is transforming and modernizing finance in a way that's safe, secure, and built for everyday people. So whether you're a Fintech enthusiast, a banking professional, or just thinking about the future of money, you're in the right place. At its core, Metallicus is a next-generation digital banking network. Think of it like an operating system for your money, built to integrate with credit unions, banks, and even the Federal Reserve. It uses blockchain technology not just as a trend, but as a tool to make payments faster, more secure, and transparent. One of Metallicus' flagship products is MetalX, a platform where users can lend, trade, borrow, and settle digital payments instantly. It's all built on the Metal blockchain, a scalable, eco-friendly, and regulation-ready chain built for the world of finance. Now, how does this all help real institutions like credit unions? Many local banks and credit unions are being outpaced by big fintechs. Metallicus gives them a way to catch up and leap forward, so they don't become the blockbuster of banking. By integrating into the FedNow network, which allows payments to happen instantly, 24/7, 365, there are no more delays, no more business hours, just real-time money movement that works for everyone. Metallicus is also a member of the U.S. Faster Payments Council, a national effort to make payments faster and smarter across the country. So not only is Metallicus building great tools, they're in the room helping shape the future of money in America. Leading Metallicus is Marshall Hayner, a blockchain pioneer. Marshall has worked on projects including Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Stellar XLM. But more importantly, he's focused on making blockchain useful and secure for the average person. He holds multiple patents for blockchain technology, including tools for identity verification and regulated digital transactions. These inventions help make blockchain compliant, safe, and ready for institutions to bridge with everyday use cases. They're a big reason why Metallicus can work with the rules and not around them. Marshall's vision is clear. Blockchain should empower everyday users, not just large financial players. MetalX is not just an exchange. It's a full DeFi hub with lending, borrowing, and yield farming. Users earn passive income by participating in the digital economy. This opened doors for everyday investors, whether you're a teacher, freelancer, or a small business owner. You now have access to the tools once reserved for the hedge funds. You can stake your assets, provide liquidity, and earn rewards, all through a user-friendly platform designed for safety and simplicity. MetalX makes decentralized finance accessible, earnable, and real. Metallicus is bridging traditional banking and blockchain innovation. They're building tools that work for institutions, regulators, and regular people. With platforms like MetalX, you're not just watching the future of money happen, you're a part of it. Now let's review everything we covered today. We looked at Metallicus and its role in the digital banking ecosystem and how it supports traditional financial institutions like community banks and credit unions. We've looked at the MetalX platform, including its exchange. We talked about its lending, borrowing, and its full DeFi services. We've identified how Metallicus works with FedNow and the U.S. Faster Payments Council to cover real-time compliant payments. We have summarized the blockchain experience and patents by the CEO, Marshall Hayner, and how they contributed to Metallicus' regulatory and technical leadership in the blockchain space. And I personally hope you recognize the opportunity Metallicus creates for everyday users and institutions to not only earn passive income, but participate in a decentralized financial economy. I want to thank you for joining me for this blockchain review. Remember, this is for educational purposes only and not financial advice.